Me and my brother are gonna play pool. You can see we got this new pool and it's awesome. So let's get started. I'm bad. Told you.
Just jump on that.
My dog just got on the couch. You can't see because the light doesn't really work, and he's black. Look, watch. Come here, Bacon. Come here, Bacon. Come here. There he is. See, I told you. I was about to make that one. Oh, you get another turn. Oh yeah, and my brother is these, not these. He's solids, not these solids, not these solids. Okay, you get me? Box. These are retarded. Whoa. Oh, I made one in. Oh! It's your turn. No? Oh. I do it again. Okay. I'm gonna try like this. On his thing. This is a retarded. This is a retarded box. Thank you. I should have made that if I was a professional. Fell. Get it for us. Why didn't you get it for us? I get to put it wherever I want.
You better make that.
Here.
Just be like. Go.
This is gonna be my last shot because my tablet is dying. So, after I'm gonna say bye bye. So, just watch me do this last shot. Oh! Finally at the end. So long, people. This was my brother and me. I'm all away. know, that's how professionals do it. So, bye. Hope you enjoyed.